Imagine owning one of these devices, or two of them, or even more, to mine crypto for you, okay? You can use these devices to mine crypto for you 24/7. You can earn rewards on these devices, and the AI is actually using these devices to mine crypto for us in Doge and Bitcoin Cash. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing technology. Everyone should buy one of these. But imagine stacking up 10, 20, 30, or even more boosters to earn you daily rewards every single day. There is no expiration of these devices. You can earn rewards on them as long as the company lives and functions. It's absolutely amazing. It is a breakthrough technology. I have these physical devices to show you guys, and I had several devices that are purchased via Harvest Plus. Harvest Plus is the company that has been absolutely amazing. Their management is absolutely amazing, phenomenal. They help you, they support you, they do everything they can to help and manage your problems, to help you figure out certain issues. And of course, it is much easier to mine with these devices than mine with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very hard to mine with, but with these devices, you can mine in Bitcoin Cash and you can also mine in Doge. Now, imagine having so many boosters, so many of these devices, these are called boosters, and then you just tag them up and you're just earning endless amounts of rewards every single day on your boosters. That's amazing. This is an actual product, guys. This is an actual product that you are purchasing with the company, okay? You are not just purchasing something that you've never seen. This is an actual physical product, okay? This is absolutely amazing. Now, I have several of these products as well that I have purchased myself. They are generating every single day daily rewards for me, crypto rewards. And this is just absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. I recommend it to everybody because this is actually a breakthrough technology to mine Bitcoin Cash and Doge, and using actually a physical device. But imagine that you are going to share it with other people as well. Now, imagine sharing this information, imagine sharing this info, imagine how they can actually earn rewards while they are sleeping. Now, you are not only going to earn sales, commissions on your sales, but also you can actually have a percentage of their daily earnings on their daily rewards. Okay, so actually it is very good to share this information so other people can benefit as well from using these devices and actually purchasing these devices and earning those everyday rewards. Okay, so sharing is always caring. So in this kind of situation, actually this Bitcoin Cash and Doge mining device is actually a very good way to actually help people earn those rewards. You can help your friends, you can help your family, you can help so many people with these devices. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, now of course, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, all right? Click like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions, anything you would like to know. And also make sure that you join my Telegram channel through the link below in the description of this video, because it is very important. You will get certain updates, and you can get so many information, important updates, important tutorials, all that you need to know. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel. It's very important, it's very essential that you guys join that. Okay, so these devices are beautiful devices. They are doing crypto mining for you. You can share it with anyone. It has no expiration. You're actually purchasing an actual physical product that they're going to plug in to their mining farms, and is going to mine you Bitcoin Cash or Doge. It's simple as that. Okay, simple, very simple, easy peasy. I'll show you how to purchase these devices so you can get going. I can show you a tutorial how to get started. Make sure obviously that you register first, and then you can, of course, you can log into your back office and purchase several of these devices. I have several devices. One of my accounts had 30 of these devices, so I had a total of 50, or I don't know, or even more devices, because I just love this daily earning. I love the daily rewards. Okay, so let me show you the disclaimer, and I'll show you the back office after. But before I show you the back office, let me go over this PDF document for you guys quick, so you can actually have a bit of an idea how the company works. Okay, so this changes everything. This is something revolutionary. This is something we've never seen before. I am so pleased with the results. Seriously, I am so pleased with the results. I'm so pleased with the support we are getting. We have so many tools. We have so many resources that we can give you guys if you want to share it. It's absolutely amazing and phenomenal. Okay, I can actually send you this PDF via email or however you want to have it, and you can just go over it and just share it with your team, share it with the people that you care about. Okay, now of course we have a breakthrough USB crypto mining booster device that has been producing approximately $3 to $8 in Bitcoin Cash. This is obviously approximate. This is obviously an average because of course we all know that, you know, crypto and the market is always fluctuating. And of course you can earn 7 days a week. There is no weekend off. You know, they are working on these machines 24/7, so there is no stopping. There is also a 5-year warranty per device. Each one comes with a unique serial number with invoice. Actually, you can actually have an invoice and actually invoice after you purchase one of these products or more. You know, I would stack them up personally, okay, but it's obviously up to you. But having several of these devices actually earning you insane rewards. Like seriously, okay, insane. Okay, listen to what I say. Insane results. It's amazing. Right. Of course, you can earn the crypto. You can mine this crypto while you sleep, basically. And of course, it mines Bitcoin Cash and Doge much efficiently than regular Bitcoin, as we said. And of course, each booster device has AI software. Okay. So basically, it is a breakthrough technology. It's an AI, a software that is doing the job for you, basically. All right. So you are a customer. You are purchasing a product here, and then they are going to reward you for purchasing their product. Literally, that is what it's all about. Okay, it's amazing, right? Now they have low cost. You know, they have low cost. It's a $1,500 for a booster, or you can come in with a share. That's up to you. Personally, I would choose the booster. Okay, you are going to see results faster. You are going to see your rewards a lot better. You can show it to your friends, to your mom, to your dad, to your sister, to your brother, whoever you want to show it to. Okay, and then you will be able to see those rewards coming in every single day. It's exciting. It's exciting because you see your balance growing every single day, right? Okay, it's amazing. It's beautiful. You know, everyone is making money with this. Everybody. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I can help you figure it out. You know, I mean, we have absolutely incredible management with this company. It's amazing. Okay, and you can also ask me to provide you some discount. Okay, so I can give you some discount on your booster. Okay, if you cannot come in with 1,500, okay, I can give you some discount to purchase your device. Okay, or devices. All right, just let me know, reach out to me, and I can help you figure it out. Okay, so of course we have global offices. We have offices in Malaysia. We have management over there. They have the offices. You can actually go there and actually see these devices in action. You can see them live when they plug them in and how they're working. It's amazing. It's beautiful, right? Because actually we have something that's real. Okay, and we all want something that is real, that is not fake. We don't have something in the clouds. We actually have something real, and we have it here, right here in our fingertips. It's amazing, beautiful. And of course, you can watch it on the blockchain as well. You will get paid, you will get rewarded in Bitcoin Cash, Doge, and USDT. You can actually withdraw in USDT. That's what I do as well. And of course, they have progressive and sustainable marketing plan. Guys, if something works for you, that's what I always say. If a restaurant works for me, okay, if a delivery works for me, if a grocery store works for me, I'm going to share it with people. So if something works for you and it's something exciting and it's going to make somebody's lives better, why don't you go out and share it? Okay, and shout it at the top of the mountains to say, guys, this is amazing. Okay, that's why I'm making this video, because I want to let you guys know that you don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out. Everyone needs money. Okay, everyone needs to earn these rewards because they need that. You know, you need it for your child's college, okay, university. You need to refurbish your house. You name it, whatever your dream is, whatever you want to, where you want to make a difference. you need to have this rewards coming in every single day. And if you want more, if you have a bigger vision, you are going to go out there and share it. Why wouldn't you want to be, why would you want to be selfish, okay, and just keep it to yourself? No, you share it with other people, and that's how we'll grow, because you are actually helping people. You're actually helping people make money and earn these rewards, and that's how you're going to grow as well, okay? Just think about it. It's beautiful. All right, so of course, if Bitcoin Cash or Doge goes up, your income is going to go up as well. Of course, optionally, you can swap your BCH or Doge into USDT anytime to rebuy or redraw. It's up to you. Some people are buying shares, you know, when they're earning some rewards on their booster, they're just buying multiple shares, okay? So then they can still earn those rewards every single day on their shares as well. That's absolutely amazing. And guys, we have a real product here, okay? Let's not forget that. You know, people always tell me, we want the real product. Guys, I have it here. I have it right here, a physical product that I can actually touch, right? I have the box right here. I got it in the mail, literally in the mail, but I don't have to mess around with it, right? I don't have to plug it in into my own home. The company is all going to take care of it. This is just basically a demo to show you that this is the physical product, you know, that they actually, that you are actually purchasing, and that's what they are working with. And many of my colleagues actually been to the office and they see it, and they saw it live in action. Amazing, insane, right? It's absolutely insane. So this is the box. This is the box I got the boosters in, right? I got 2 of them, so I have 2 boxes, and it's amazing. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. I mean, you cannot get better than this. Absolutely. And of course, it's very simple. It's duplicatable. It's very profitable. And of course, you know, you know, there are a lot of team support. You know, we have a lot of things that the company is actually working with me on a lot of things, and it's amazing, right? It's amazing. You know, I mean, you cannot get better than that. Now, of course, get back to the person who referred you, you know, to this video. Or maybe you are watching this and you haven't joined yet, or whatever. That's absolutely up to you. Of course, make sure that you get plugged into my Telegram channel. The link is gonna be below in the description of this video, because I can share important updates with you guys. Whatever is happening with the company, if there are any changes, if there is anything going on, if there are any events, or whatever is happening, right? So it's very, very important that actually you keep that in mind, okay? You keep that in mind. I can help you with the startup steps. I can actually show you the back office right now, and I can show you how to get started after you register with your account. Of course, before I proceed, okay, of course, everything is a risk, okay? Everything is a risk in this field. There is always a risk in cryptocurrencies. There is always a risk in these platforms. There is no guarantee. I'm not going to guarantee you anything, okay? Just to be clear. Of course, these are just for educational purposes only. Just make sure you keep this disclaimer in your mind. It is absolutely your responsibility. No one is going to force you to do anything. You are an adult. There is always a risk in these things, to make sure you actually decide in a normal adult way, and you are not going to purchase these devices and put your own lives or your family's lives or anybody's lives in risk. Just make sure you keep that in mind. So yeah, we are all adults. We all take responsibility. We are not going to be crazy, and we are not just taking risks foolishly. But I do believe that risks are necessary in life to move forward and to achieve things in life. So risks are always there, but just keep that in mind, and of course, make your decision, and of course, make your decision wisely. Okay, so this is what you're going to see when you're going to log into your back office. This is the page, the first page you are going to see. Of course, obviously, if you're just starting with the company, of course, you're not going to see any balance right here. You are going to, you know, be at 0. You're not going to see anything. But the way to get started is this. Okay, I'll show you how to get that done. I have multiple accounts actually. so I have several accounts. You can actually have several accounts as well if you wish. And you can just have several accounts, and you can buy boosters in several accounts as well. That is allowed. That is absolutely fine. You can actually do that, okay? So now on the left, you would have to click on Buy Ultimate Booster. That's where you would have to go. And these are the details right here. Okay, so you can actually click and choose Dogecoin to mine in Doge. Okay, or you can actually choose to mine in Bitcoin Cash. All right, so then you can choose which one you want to go for, if you want to go for the booster or if you want to go with the share. Okay, now as I said, I can recommend you the booster because actually I can give you discount on that booster. Okay, I can give you a 30% discount for that one. Okay, so for going for the booster is actually probably going to be more beneficial for you because actually you can get a discount on that booster because I can help you getting started. And as I said, you are going to see more results. Okay, it's going to help you feel more accomplished as well, right? When you are seeing all those rewards coming in every single day rather than just some pennies, right? So I actually never went for the share. I think I bought a couple of shares maybe, but you know, I had like, I don't know, 50 or more boosters that I purchased, you know, and spread them out in different accounts. So that's what I did. So, I mean, you can do what I do, or you don't have to do what I do. I'm just sharing what I did, a personal, I just sharing my personal actions with you, what I did personally. But of course, as I said, it's entirely up to you what you guys do. Anyway, so this is it. As I said, a physical product, you guys, a physical product that you're purchasing. Okay, you are not purchasing something that doesn't exist. Okay, you are purchasing a physical product that is mining you Bitcoin Cash or Doge, and that's it. It has warranty. It never expires. It's not one of those companies when, okay, after XYZ month it's going to expire and it's going to go away. Okay, because we you know, in this company, we are, all of us who are in this company and join this company, we really believe in the vision, all of us. Okay, because we saw the results, we believe in the product, I believe in the product. So there is no question. Okay, there is no question. We have amazing, absolutely amazing customer support with the company. You know, I absolutely love it. So there's no reason why not to join it. Take action today. Start making those rewards today. It's amazing, right? It's amazing how we can change people's lives. If you need the discount, let me know. Make sure you join my Telegram channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, email me, send me a message on Telegram. You know, send me any kind of message wherever you can reach me. I'll obviously post my contact info below in the description of this video, so you can have it. You can contact me, you can reach out, you can ask questions, whatever. And of course, if you need the discount as well, reach out to me ASAP as well. All right, so guys, physical product, making rewards every single day. Doge, Bitcoin Cash, amazing stuff. I absolutely love it. So I'll see you guys in the next video.